let's go for the last one, the last scenario, which is shared mailbox. Okay, shared mailbox not showing in Outlook. So this one we could spend a little bit more time in it, and I will be a little bit quick also. So a shared mailbox is recently created but not visible. You in user's Outlook permission full access were assigned immediately. The mailbox appear in OWA, but not, so meaning in Outlook here, but not in the Outlook desktop app. Okay, so we will see this right now. So this is the actual Outlook um, desktop app. So we could solve this way. So let's do this, guys. We'll first solve the issue, and after I want to show you many things to let's say I think it's four way of troubleshooting this desktop app, Outlook desktop app, and they are very important way of troubleshooting this, and this is going to be very interesting. So file, you could go to file if you have this type of issue about shared mailbox, and let me remember. After going here, you go to account settings and you go for account settings again. Yep, or not correct. Uh, then you could go to change. Yeah, more settings, and you could go to advanced. Okay, and add. And as you can see, open these additional mailboxes. And now you can add a mailbox. Okay, so what I mean by this is if it doesn't work automatically, guys, it's fine. Just do it manually. Okay, do it this way. Okay, because yeah, you could have this type of issue, and it's and to trigger the sync, it could be sometimes annoying. So just do the manual way, and then you add and you go to the actual path. Then it become very simple. So the thing that you saw here, guys, it's the actual control panel. I will show you right now, and it's where I will do the actual transition, and I will show you. You go to small icon, and you go to mail. Where is mail? Okay, here. So here it's when you will download, when your employee will download web office, sorry, um, Microsoft 365 with all the apps, they will get for the Outlook desktop app, they will get the mail, this one, they will get these actual features in control, in the control panel. It's a very good feature to do plenty of stuff. And guys, you will see there's many way of troubleshooting this actual app, and they are not that much complicated. So what you could do if you encounter all the issue in the desktop app, whatever the issue, guys, whatever the issue that you will receive concerning tickets about Outlook desktop app, I will show you a way to troubleshoot that maybe go from, let's say, 50% to 60% of resolving the issue about whatever type of issue you got. So but let me remember first, you go to email accounts. Oh no, yeah, email accounts. You go to data files, open location, and what you will do here, for example, here I am the CEO, so this is Manon Leimer at yeah, antidote-security.com. And what do you want to do is that you want to restore it, you want to clear the caches, and you want to trigger automatically the actual sync, the all synchronization. You want to trigger it. So what you will do, you will simply, but be careful, you need to take this off. You need to switch this off because otherwise it will prompt for an error. And what you will do, for example, is this, guys. Test. Oh yeah, sorry. I I forget to to take off this one. So you just do this and then test for no, not test. It's not right. It's X. It means that yeah, they're all like the past caches because remember all the it went yeah, but here everything that you get, everything that you have in your Outlook app, in your desktop Outlook app, it comes from the Microsoft servers. It's not held on your actual computer. So it's only every problem that you will get. It's only about synchronization, nothing else. Okay, nothing else. So I just closed the tabs as you saw, and now I will say X. I will implement X. And what it will do, it will simply, since he could not figure it out where is Manon Leimer, the actual file, the actual Outlook data file, so he will create a new one and you will see this. And guys, like I told you, more than 60%. It will solve like almost every of your problem. But let's go back here. Why I'm doing this? I don't need to do this. I just simply need to, yeah, simply need to do that. And when you have a big, you see, it creates a new one. When you have a big Outlook box, Outlook mailbox, it will be very long. Okay, it could be very long. Right now, because I have nothing in my my sorry, my mailbox, so it was very quick. But when you are in your company environment, it will really take time. So yeah, and as you can see, if I prompt for this, as you can see, it create new one. So it will actually just trigger the synchronization between the servers of Microsoft that it's here and your actual device. Okay, your actual device. Simply as this, guys. You have the Microsoft servers and it will sync, meaning it will sync all the data that you need for your device, for your actual computer. Okay, and it will just yeah resync everything. So this is a very good way of troubleshooting, but you have also other way of but I need to remember them. You have like other way of troubleshooting, but did I talk about everything I wanted to said? We could talk about this, about open export, guys, just quickly. Here it's when you want to import all your data. Oh yeah, I forget to say it. Because since you are manipulating things that are not risky, it's not risky because like I said, everything is in the Microsoft servers. But again, when you work in a company environment, you want to enhance and you want to get like absolutely no, you want to take zero, sorry guys, you want to take zero risk. So what you need to do is you need to, not always but most of the time, to just import the actual where does it, where should I take mm, export to a file. Yes, it's this one. Export to a file. It means that everything that you have here, it will be exported to export to a file. So it's very important that you do this. I'm just drinking, guys. Okay, so you go here and then you take this one, Outlook data. Okay, next, and then you choose what do you want to export, and you just say everything. Okay, you just say everything. I want to export everything, and now you can do whatever troubleshoot that you want. It will be in your desktop, and you can simply go here, open export, and open Outlook data file. Simple as this, guys. Okay, and you will just do this. Okay. So what did I wanted to say about other way of troubleshooting? Okay, we could talk about this. So if you have issue, if you encounter some issue that is more a significant problem than a simple synchronization or whatever. Maybe for the last 20% case about Outlook desktop app, you could do this. So wait, let me remember. Yes, you can go here and go desktop. Go to program files. So I will show you actual scanning application that you could use for the actual Outlook desktop mailbox, and in this way it will scan the profile, meaning the Outlook mailbox, and it will fix it. Okay, so you go to program files, Microsoft Office, and you go to Office 16. No, no, I don't think it's here. No, it's not here. Let me. No, roots, and then Office 16. Yes, and here you will just say scan, and you will open this, and simply, guys, you will simply scan. For example, in my case, I will scan Manon Leimer uh, and at enter.security.com because it has significant issue, and then he will simply, yeah, it will simply scan and fix any issue. So then the other thing that you could do, let me think about other way of troubleshooting. Yes, you can also go here, run, and you can actually say Outlook. If, for example, it keep on crashing, like you have this issue of your the employee, your colleague told you, yeah, it keep on crashing whenever I try to open Outlook desktop app, and it's what you will do. You will do this Outlook, and I think it's this safe mod. Oh, but I cannot because it's already open. Yeah, so no. Yep. Chick, and here Outlook. Really? Is there a space between? Yeah, there is a space. Okay, and then, so what it will do, it will simply, normally it will work, okay? And you will see a very default version of Outlook, okay? You will look at a very, very default version of, yeah, as you see it's different. There is no add-ons. So if it works, it means that there is some new add-ons that the person have implements, or maybe some, I don't know. It's very not. It could be a malware, but in very extreme cases. But most of the time, it's add-ons, okay, that you have implemented and that are like kind of bad for the actual system, okay. And I'm just checking other stuff. Yeah, and it's here actually that you could check the add-ins, so like application, but it's fine. Me, I wanted to look at another thing. Okay, it's fine. But I don't want this. I hate bright color. So yeah, and the other thing, I know that there's another one, and yeah, you could actually go here on programs, add or remove programs, and go on Microsoft Office, and as you know, repair. So you could go on the computer of the actual employee and simply go to Microsoft, no, 365. Yep, 265, and go here, and you will say here, you see modify. You will go to modify, and you will say quick repair, for example. So guys, you have all the actual pattern to to like make this thing working, really. Like with this, you will have for sure no issue. Like you will be able to fix almost every issue on Outlook desktop app. So there is also another thing that I want to say. I know that some of you, for extreme cases, not always, but and it's actually a part of my, I really love doing this, and I was known for this type of skills. Um, Most of the time, whenever, especially when you're working with VMware, you want to delete something and it doesn't want. Okay, like it doesn't want to delete the your actual app that is running or whatever thing that is on. For example, I know that some of you had some issue about this. Let me go in mail here, and they try to delete, for example, here, but they can't because, for example, in my case here, they are the set as default. And even if you unplug the set as default, there is like, if you want, for example, to start from scratch and totally delete this actual email, it will not work. It will really stay consistent and it will not be deleted. So what you can do is actually go, and it will work 100%, guys. You go to Regedit and you go, and I was already finding it. So to go back, you need to go to current user, software, then Microsoft, and then Office 16, Outlook, profiles, and here you will see all your profiles. And you will simply delete everything here, okay? You will simply delete everything here, and like this, it will, it will simply, you will simply have like a new Outlook, like a new mail setup, and nothing will be on the actual email accounts. There will be no profile. Okay, simply as this. There will be no profile. Yeah. Why I'm saying this is because, sorry guys. Why I'm saying this, it's because when you will go here, but let me go back. No, when you will go here and then there, data files, open file location, you will want to delete this, and it wouldn't work. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but in some extreme cases it will not work, and it's just simply what you have to do, guys. Okay, so what I want to talk more, maybe I want to say another thing. I will just look quickly at my notes. Yeah, maybe I could tell you about this, about what is connectors. And actually, guys, connectors is just, the purpose of connectors is to establish a secure email communication between Microsoft 365 and other servers, or like partners organization, and it can enforce actual TLS. It could enforce TLS encryption and authentication, and like for outgoing and incoming emails. So for example, a scenario, your company needs to integrate with a marketing service that requires sending emails via their servers or for tracking campaigns. So you need a secure connector to allow this communication, and it's exactly how connectors work. It ensures it ensures a secure and reliable email delivery between Microsoft 365 and the third party marketing service. Okay, and yeah, so just think about connectors with working with partner organization. And the other one that maybe could be a bit not weird, but let's say, okay, let's talk about accepted domains. It's simply, let me give you straight the example. Your company acquire another organization with the domain, let's say, I have already nt.security.com, but let's nt nt.digital lab. Okay, nt.digital lab, and it will it will start to accept emails from this domain within your environment, while routing some emails to the old server. until migration is complete. So it's you, like, you acquiring another organization and you want to fused those two organization into one. Or yeah, I think you get my point. Now for remote domains, it's simply to manage specific email settings for external domains, and it helps control how your organization's email interact with external partners or domains. Okay, and if you want an example, it's like your organization work with a partner company, let's say partnercompany.com, and wants to block non-deliver reports to their domain to prevent unnecessary email clutter, but still allow delivery report for transparency. So it's just you organizing and restrict auto replies for certain email behaviors specifically for this domain without affecting others. Okay, so yeah, and what I mean by this, you can check, like for example, if I say this remote domain here, you see you can out of office automatic reply types none, allow only external out of office reply, allow only allow internal out of office replies. So it's just you setting up and you implement the actual domain where you want this to be set. Okay. Okay, guys. So what else? High volume email. We already talked about this. It's just you are, for example, a marketing team you are sending newsletter, uh, like thousands of external recipients, and you want to monitor their activity to ensure compliance with email volume limits and prevent Microsoft 365 from flagging the organization for potential abuse. And it could be also for internal use. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I think, guys, we covered it all. I hope you like it. I hope it was enough clear. I hope my rules what wasn't too uh, too blurry. Like it was enough clear, and I went straight to the point. So thank you, guys, and see you in the next video.